We go to an environmental issue of a different kind now. It involves a chicken farm in a residential community in St. Mary and flies, lots of them. Residents say the flies are making life unbearable. Now, we must warn you that some of the images might upset viewers. Mosquitoes are to Portmore in St. Catherine what flies are to Rosen, St. Mary. At least that has been the case for a little over 2 years.
I walking and fly, I sleeping and flies, I eating flies.
The flies are everywhere, inside and outside the home. Not even the mesh at the windows help.
I'm in misery. You can't cook your food. Every day you have to wash your clothes, wash your kitchen towel, because the flies, they fly on it. They're flying in your nose, in your eye, and me can't manage them fly here. Me I look place we move now.
And just as another resident paused to speak with our correspondent, a fly had invaded her cup of tea. If you live in the area, eating is like this. You have to contend with flies at your feet while having to go through great lengths to ensure they don't get into your food.
You go in the bathroom, you take a shower, and you come out. There's a fly stuck in your box, drinking the water off your skin. You're eating and some food particles touch your finger. There's a fly on it. It's unbearable. We cannot live like this.
This morning I have to get up out of my bed. That's when my daughter have to say, oh, me wake up so early. Because the fly won't go down in my ears. In my bedroom. You see me talking to you, no fly a pitch by me. You see? You have to eat your food, you have to cover it up. You know how much people have to dash your liquor? Because the fly then gone down in them drink.
Sometimes I am not well. Sometimes I want to go and take a 5 minutes rest. Instead of taking a 5 minutes rest, I have to spend that 5 minutes killing flies from my bedroom.
And it's not just the flies, there's also a stench.
If you go down the ackee tree and sit down, pure flies. And you can't even smoke your breath, you have to put on your mask to sit in the yard. Because the smell is awful.
30 had me live here so far. And I never sick. I never sick. And from these people come down there, I am sicking. Sicking. Every minute I have to be into that because when the smell of the doodle come up, it is so bad.
This is the source of the residents' discomfort. It's a chicken farm owned by politician Damien Crawford. The residents say they've made attempts to contact him, as well as the St. Mary Health Department several times.
They answered me back and said they're going to pass it on to somebody else, to the health team, something like that. But until now, nobody contact me. Damien Crawford come down there several times. He don't contact me. He don't contact no one. And, you know, it have to stop because we can't take it no more.
Mr. Crawford said he would not comment at this time, but we spoke with the farm manager, Sadiqi Khan. He says he's aware of the fly nuisance and pointed us to damaged manure belts, which he notes have been fixed.
When the belts are damaged, the manure stays on the belt, and when it becomes stagnant, it's grown for breeding for the flies.
The residents are, however, not convinced and are again appealing for the intervention of the health department.